I can't Manila, please stop.
What? Is that how you make banana ketchup? You bananas and ketchup, banana ketchup.
My onions are sweating.
Is there anything with the onion?
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Cinnamon.
I do like cinnamon.
Sugar's going in.
What are you making?
Fessa and John.
Who?
Exactly. Does anyone have any Prozac?
Girl, my corn needs a bikini wax.
Wow, what a challenge.
Taste, oh, God.
Day one of boot camp, there are many rules. Number one, you don't eat a bivalve.
Delicious.
Not worth the risk. Number two, if you see a hair, say something.
There's actually a hair on my...
Number three, very important rule. You don't ask the drag queen about a certain shaped food item at their station. It just opens the door to naughty jokes.
What is the bananas for?
Tiffany.
Random sexual innuendos, okay? Oh, I need a blender.
I don't want to know. Come on, TT, start cooking.
Why does it feel like it's ruining the chicken? Oh my gosh, my cheese sauce. It's like a big clump of like goop.
Lisa, how we doing? How's our mac and cheese sauce?
It looks a little soupy.
Okay, yeah, maybe it's separated, maybe it broke a little bit.
So what do I do?
Add a little cornstarch slurry in there to help.
Ooh, that sounds yummy.
Do I have that?
I have some corn.
Okay, add some.
We're helping each other out, but it's the only corn I have.
Or you just keep adding cheese.
Keep adding cheese, yeah.
Uh-oh, be careful. Watch your knives. Wait, no, yeah, keep them down. Don't run with the knife. There you go.
Why have I never learned to cook? Oh my gosh, this is gonna be like therapy.
It's time for the veggies to have a haircut. What can I say?
Julie's the old scissor method here.
I'll make the mac and cheese out of a box, all right? I'm not ashamed to say it.
I mean, this looks like when I was in college, like a college stoner's room at 4 a.m. in the morning, right? You get there like, I'm gonna make dino nuggets, 40 pounds of shredded cheese, chips, corn chips. I'm excited. I don't even want to stop this art from happening.
You got your work cut out for you this season.
Don't serve me undercooked dino nuggets.
Copy that.
I'm partial to the I like actually the Stegosaurus. I mean, this dude pulls out all the dinosaur nuggets. He's got Triceratops. He's got Stegosaurus. He's got T-Rexes. You're cooking for some chefs now. Let's ramp it up, all right? Bong Rip Billy. I know what's happening over here.
Can't tell if it's blood or beef. It's beef, it's beef.
Is that a whisk, Manila?
Oh, yeah, whisk up that pasta.
As it gets soft, it's going in.
Which is counterintuitive.
See?
Beverly.
Originally, it was supposed to be called my heavenly breakfast, but it's a lot of veggies and some chorizo for some extra flavor.
The sausage really does bring it together. That's chorizo.
Yeah, thank God for the chorizo, right? We can all agree upon that, because nothing else is seasoned in here. Nothing's cooked. Just a salad of raw vegetables, essentially. And
I might have cracked a toothus. Do we have a medic on deck?
we do. He's back there. He's not a dentist, though.
You know, I think you did a good effort, right? But I'll be honest, this is one of those dishes that I don't care to take another bite.
Oh my gosh. I mean, I think the veggies were still frozen.
You don't have to eat them.
I will.
You don't have
We're
to.
a team.
Oh, I love that. I went with a beautiful chicken parmesan and a truffle mac and cheese.
I don't know what's in mine.
What do you mean?
There's a little whisker in there.
That looks like
No, it's a big hair.
That looks, oh yeah.
I tied my hair back.
It's breaded in there. I spotted hair. I don't have long black hair. Look, we could prove it right now.
My hair was tied back and I like it down. This has to be a joke. I tied my hair back. Here, let me put my hair back. Like, clearly I have at least 16 inches. That couldn't have been more than 4.
Okay, well, mac and cheese, I think that's a loose term here. The chicken, it is not the driest chicken I've ever encountered in my life.
That's a plus.
But the burrata is excellent.
The one thing I didn't make.
Yeah, I agree with everything. Chefs and cooks and kitchens do this for everything. I mean, you're gonna be, oh no.
Oh, another hair? Oh my God.
How long was that hair?
It's still here. We can measure it.
My hair was back. For real. I'm like, whose hair is in my like, who's trying to sabotage me?
Taste this. At first, the sauce tastes right, but then that spice hits me. Chef Tiffany says she likes spice, so hopefully she will like this. All right, could use a little more salt.
It's crunch time, okay? I'm not a professional at doing this, but I think I'm doing pretty decent. Oh! Are you serious? I dropped the chicken?
No! It's delicious!
I burnt my fingers trying to grab the chicken because I'm pressed for time, and this is terrible. If I'm being honest, I'm about to just pack my bags right now. Dang!
Seconds winding down, I pull out my chicken, I check the temperature. If I serve Chef Jeff undercooked chicken, we won't be having Chef Jeff on this show anymore. He will be in the hospital sick. No, 112, 114. It is not going up. I am clocked.
Can we use the leg instead of the breast?
You can use whatever you want. 166.
My competitive nature comes out. I'll do anything to put a damn piece of chicken on my plate.
Hey, do you have another chicken I can borrow? What do you need, brother? Another chicken?
All right,
It's
10.
cooked. I got one here if you really need it.
Yes. Ryan, get them both on there. No. Ryan, get them on the plate.
4, 3, 2, 1.
He stole my chicken, Chef.
Oh my God.
Teamwork.
Chicken thief, get down here. All right, I understand. I'd rather give you some chicken on the plate than raw chicken, and that was just time management.
Oh no! Oh no!
Your hole has to be big enough for all the eggs.
No! No, the dam broke!
Manila, how big is your hole? You got it together?
She's like a volcano, it's like a lava flow. The villagers at the bottom of the volcano, watch out! Oh, the humanity!
Hey!
We're flambeing. I mean, it's not a requirement. It does not change anything, but he got it.
Hey, I'm cooking now, boy!
When you have a 6-month-old puppy, still like kind of floppy and everything, they get the zoomies. That was Ryan after the flambe.
I'm scared.
Yeah, me too.
I know I need to add spice to this.
Can I grab this?
Okay, bye.
So I add crushed red pepper. Whew.
She dumps in a half a container of red pepper.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Too much.
I have way too much red pepper in this pan. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Way too much.
You're not supposed to kill the judges. You're just supposed to add a little spice to it.
All I'm thinking is, this is the end.
Oh, sorry, bud.
Bye.
No. Sorry, buddy.
You need a relaxing spa day. How about a little trip to the jacuzzi?
Julie, is your crab in there?
No.
Well, jeepers creepers, what are we waiting for? Set that timer, get it in a drink, girl.
Right now, I've got to kill a crab, and I just want my grandson not to watch this bit.
Grab it.
Oh, grab it with my hands?
Yeah, sure, why not? You got this far, go. Nice, there you go. All right, Ryan, come on down.
I wasn't moving very fast, so I got you to the crema ground beef taco. That's
All right.
about it. I am missing the toppings. I feel like I'm swimming naked with no Speedo. You need the Speedo. It's that bad, huh?
I don't know what it is. Oh, I got.
Jeff can't even eat my taco. Oh, why you gotta do me like that, Jeff?
What?
I don't feel good about this.
Where's granulated sugar? I get the simple syrup going. This is boiling hot. I do a 1, 2. And sugar water goes everywhere.
Ooh, careful.
9 minutes.
It's wet over here, guys. Hi, everyone. Small talk, small talk, small talk. We have a jumbo lump crab cake burger on Ozempic because we're at a Hollywood party. One bite and you're stuffed.
Oh my God. Wow, it's really crunchy.
Great sear on the crab cake, but the caper on the skewer, it's interesting.
It's like a little nipple on top of the
Where
bun.
are you going?
It's a good way to season mushrooms.
You're gonna saute mushrooms
Yep.
and garlic.
Well, no,
Start
the garlic's gonna go for my fries.
raw garlic?
I'm not sure if it should be raw or sauteed garlic.
Or
Should
you're
I
gonna
use
saute
pepper?
a little bit?
I'm gonna saute it a little.
Okay.
I don't understand why we need to saute every freaking vegetable under the sun. Sometimes it's nice to eat them fresh.
Give yourself enough oil in there when you're cooking it.
Julie, what are you topping your burger with? Great answer, thanks so much. Hey, Julie.
All I can focus on right now is coming up with our own spin on this burger. I just burnt the bacon. I'm making a 3-cheese loaded rocker. Parmesan cheese. Using everything but the kitchen sink. I'm trying to work on some different flavors.
All right, great.
Because we all know everybody likes their burger a different way. Do you have the curry powder? Some people like it spicy, some people don't.
Have curry? No.
Some people like black peppercorn or like a sweet and savory. Give it a shot. Some people like Parmesan, jack cheese, or mozzarella mushrooms, onions, tomatoes, basil leaf. Some people like magicians. I like romantic comedies.
Apples.
Well, you know where I'm going with this, right? It's all what your flavor is.
Julie, she keeps putting more things on. Overdoing it really negates that it's a burger. Less. Stop.
10,
9, 8.
Put it in there. Put it in the glass.
Where's the hot sauce?
Lime juice!
Your fries. 4.
Put something
Fries.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Oh.
Oh, God. I just hit my egg.
I forgot my egg.
No way.
Yeah, it's right there. Oh my God, the one thing she told us to do.
You did good all the way until the end with the egg. That was the only thing you had to create, and it was part of the challenge for sure.
I understand.
Looks pretty simple. When I tasted the pork, it tasted pretty classic. So I'm just gonna stick to oil, salt, and pepper. Woo! And get that into the skillet. That was fun. I throw them in the blender. I add my heavy cream and my butter and my garlic. I do not have a minute to waste.
A little floor blending going on here.
So I am just going to blend wherever the blender is. Yes, I'm doing it on the ground, which happens to be on the ground.
Uh-oh, here we go. Flambe Jones coming at you. Woo! That's hot.
Ah, how do I get this? Shice!
Yes.
Let's go! Woohoo! Woo! Opa!
I did say keep your face away from that.
Oh my God.
But I'm glad you double-checked to see if it was flaming.
You got rum? Where your rum at? Let's go. Fire it up.
I gotta prepare my sauce. I gotta flambe these currants.
Watch out.
That's enough. That's enough.
Unfortunately,
No, tilt it to where the fire touches the sauce.
currently, these currants are not flambeing for me
Tilt a little more. A little more.
at all. Maybe currants weren't the best option.
I can smell it, though.
Try it again. Tilt it. Oh my God, there's no fire.
Whatever. Can't win them all.
No fire for you guys, sorry.
I am very happy with my duck.
Hey, go in the oven. No pressing. Go in the oven for 2 minutes.
Throw her in the oven so she can get all crispy and golden brown. Unfortunately, oh my God, no, my little candy. Someone, call the fire department. I need a fireman.
Uh-oh.
Preferably one from one of those sexy calendars. Oh, crap. How can I be so stupid to forget that my phyllo dough was in the oven?
Oh, she gotta make it all over again.
I'm full on freaking out right now. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I cannot let this be the thing that takes me out.
Hey, Bev, go help out Reza real quick. I think all that chunky pewter jewelry's getting in the way.
He did not call my pewter, did he?
And the winner is Reza.
Good job, Rez.
What? Oh my God! I did it? I won the competition!